Alright, get my food. Let's take a bite. Alright.
Are you recording?
Yep. That's what we're gonna do.
He caught it!
I told you they're good. Oh shit, they're getting close. They're gonna move. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at Oh, would you stop it? No! Stop. No. No. Come on. Be a champ. They're just hungry.
No.
They're just hungry.
I'll stand. That way I can duck. I'm afraid of them.
No, they want to partake in the Jimmy John's deliciousness.
Right.
How gorgeous it is out here. Everybody back home is buried in snow. Oh shit. This guy's on me. Everybody back home is buried in snow, and we're out here. It's about 62 degrees, sunny, Carolina Beach. See him? He is creeping.
Oh god, honey. Oh god.
He's creeping. Alright, so yeah, you see all them? There was like 2 when we got here. What? What? Would you shut up? Stop being a baby.
No, it was right over my head.
You're gonna get your sandwich if you don't eat it. It was right over your head.
Oh my god.
It's very, very windy out. We were here, what time last year? When we were here? This is our same spot that we were at. Look at they want that freaking cookie.
I know, I'm about to just throw it at him. Yeah. Baby, it's getting closer.
They are creeping! Look at them. Look at those legs. Look at that look. It's a look of intimidation right there. This is a person who's intimidated right here. God. Here, you hold this, take this.
We just got a mouth shot of me eating. Maybe you have lettuce on your face. On your face! Alright. Now we're gonna watch and laugh as Steven gets pegged. This is like a Steve Irwin moment.
Now watch as I sneak over and jam my thumb in its bottom.
This shit's about to go down.
Oh, he's pissed off now!
Baby! I'm afraid of these! Maybe they're getting pissed!
I'm a humanitarian. I believe in feeding the animals. Take my ham sandwich. Take it. You won't hurt me.
They need to stop this hovering over us thing.
Oh, he caught it! He caught it like a champ. That was Terrell Owens.
Terrell Owens.
T.O. He's right there. Look at him. Yeah, that dude right there. MVP. caught that thing. I didn't know. Oh my god. Alright. I think we're good. I think we're safe. As long as Christy doesn't flip out.